Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive north on I-85, and we're in the city of Hapeville, about to cross into the city of Atlanta, Georgia. Leading up to this video, we've mentioned the upcoming traffic a few times. You're about to see exactly what we meant. This drive took place around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so this isn't rush hour. I can only imagine how bad it would get around 5 o'clock. Atlanta is the capital of the state of Georgia, as well as the state's most populous city, with an estimated population of 486,290 as of 2017. The Atlanta metropolitan area is the home of 5.8 million people, making it the 9th largest metropolitan area in the United States. Atlanta is home to professional franchises for 4 major team sports: the Atlanta Braves of Major League Baseball, the Atlanta Hawks of the National Basketball Association, the Atlanta Falcons of the National Football League, and Atlanta United FC of Major League Soccer. Atlanta has been the host city for various international, professional, and collegiate sporting events, most famously the Centennial 1996 Summer Olympics. Atlanta hosted Super Bowl 28 in 1994 and Super Bowl 34 in 2000. Here, I-85 merges with I-75 to form the downtown connector. Since the 2000s, this has been officially named James Wendell George Parkway for most of its length, although it is still designated as the connector in the mainstream. This stretch of highway takes on the exit numbers and mileage from I-75. The downtown connector carries more than 437,000 vehicles per day at its busiest point, just south of 10th Street in Midtown, while the least traveled portion carries 243,000 vehicles per day just south of Fulton Street near the interchange with Interstate 20. The area around the connector and associated interchanges are considered one of the 10 most congested stretches of interstate in the United States. Due to this fact, many motorists often compare Atlanta to Los Angeles, which is also known for its notoriously congested freeway system. The highway is fully instrumented with intelligent transportation system devices. There are more than 25 closed-circuit television cameras between the Langford Parkway interchange at the south end and the Brookwood interchange at the north end. Additionally, the downtown connector has 3 large overhead electronic message signs and 4 smaller HOV-dedicated message signs on the median barrier wall. Traffic flow data is gathered through a video detection system using pole-mounted black and white cameras spaced every 1/3 mile on both sides of the roadway. All video and data is fed into the GDOT's Transportation Management Center via fiber optic cable located under the shoulders of the roadway. Virtually all entrance ramps are metered with the exception of the freeway-to-freeway connection ramps from I-20. In early January of 2010, this section of highway between 14th and 17th Streets developed an unusual problem dubbed phantom ice during the prolonged cold wave that kept temperatures below freezing for several days in the Atlanta region. GDOT engineers believe that heavy rain in previous months raised the water table and caused it to seep upward through the joints between lanes, where it subsequently froze. Commuter traffic was stopped briefly on at least 2 days in order to treat it with de-icing materials and inspect the freeway to determine the cause. At exit 251B, the downtown connector ends and I-75 exits to the right while we remain on I-85 to the left. At this point, the highway name changes to the Northeast Expressway. On the evening of March 31, 2017, during rush hour traffic, a massive fire in a GDOT storage area caused the overpass ahead to collapse. The newer cement paving is visible here in this shot. 3 sections of northbound I-85 and 3 sections of southbound I-85 were replaced in 43 days at a cost of $15 million US. Here we leave the Atlanta city limits in Fulton County and enter DeKalb County. I-85 forms the boundary between the city of Brookhaven on the left and the unincorporated community of North Druid Hills on the right. We conclude today's video at exit 89. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.